Solving quadratic equation using formula method. How do we solve a quadratic equation using formula method? Now let us consider the question here. So the question says, solve the following quadratic equation using formula method. 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. We are asked to solve this using formula method. Now, the general form of quadratic equation is this: ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant in that quadratic equation. And the formula for finding the value of x, or the values of x, the formula says x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this is the formula here. Sometimes students refer to this formula as the almighty formula. Now, how do we solve this given quadratic equation using formula method? Now, when you try to compare the given quadratic equation here with the general form, we have 2x squared here, we have ax squared. We have 3x here, we have bx here. And we have minus 5 here, we have c here. And of course, on the right hand side, we have 0, we have 0. So you need to compare the coefficients. So comparing the coefficients, we discover that a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 5. So when you compare the coefficients there, when you compare the given equation with the quadratic, the general form of quadratic equation, so we're going to have our a to be 2, b is 3, and c is minus 5. Now, applying the formula now, so therefore, x will be equal to minus b here. So that will be minus, b is 3, plus or minus, square roots, we have our square roots here, b squared, so these are b, we have 3 squared, minus 4ac, so we have 4, a is 2, we have 2, then c, minus 5, we have minus 5. So here, so the meaning of this is 4 times 2 times minus 5. You can put the 2 and minus 5 in bracket. Now, all over 2a. All over 2a. A is also 2, so we have 2 here. So this is it. So we need to tidy up, this. So from here, we're going to have a minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared is 9. Then minus 4 times 2 times minus 5. So that will give us plus 40. Plus 40. All over 4. So from here, we're going to have our x to be, minus 3 plus or minus square root of 49 all over 4. So from here, we're going to have minus 3 plus or minus square root of 49 is 7 over 4. So from here, we're going to have minus 3 plus 7 over 4, or minus 3 minus 7 over 4. Why? Because we have plus or minus here. So minus 3 plus 7, this is 8. Minus 3 minus 7, this is it. So from here now, so we're going to have minus 3 plus 4, so that will be 4 over 4 here, or minus 3 minus 7, that is the minus 10 all over 4. So these are our x values. So therefore, x will be equal to 4 divided by 4, that is 1, or 2 here, 2, 2 here, 5. So that means we have x is also equal to what? Minus 5 all over 2. So these are our x values. So this is how we solve quadratic equation using formula method, or using almighty formula method.